So quick tutorial lang about sa ATS natin. So meron tayo sa front, we have a group 5 controller, and for sign of energize and de-energize, have a pilot lamp and toggle switch. So yung green for normal, yung red for emergency. Ganun din dito sa ating bypass isolation status and control. May pilot lamp, normal source and emergency source, and ito yung pangatlo, unit natin automatic. Ang pag umiilaw yan pag hindi naka open ang ating bypass switch handle. So iilaw yan pag nandito yan, or it's either kay normal. Okay, so we have a test run for manual run of genset. So dry contact, and